Yo, what's going on? In today's video, we're going to be taking a look and unboxing the LG 27UK600.
Flex.
So yeah, this video is going to be a little bit different from my usual unboxing. The reason why is because I do plan on uploading another unboxing video slash setup video for the LG UL600, which is the successor of the UK600. Now the reason why I'm just briefly going through this is because with the UK600 I actually had an issue with it, and that's what ultimately led me to getting the UL600. Now this issue is actually quite common with the UK600 because a lot of people had the exact same problem. I will go through the issue that I did have towards the end of the video, so do make sure you stick around until then. But yeah, do bear in mind this video is not a full-blown review. I don't actually really do reviews, I just do unboxings, setup and overviews. Alright, so the monitor is now out of the packaging, and if we take a look at the bottom you can see a joystick control and 2 ventilation. Now for the I/O section you have 2 HDMI and 1 display port, and of course your headphone jack and the power input as well for your DC power. Now my favorite part is actually the VESA mount at the back of the monitor, because me personally I do prefer to have my monitors on a monitor mount rather than using the stand. But if you do want to use the stand, it does look quite premium. As you can see from the neck, it's a silver finish with a metal frame inside, and then the power brick as well is also white, which goes with the UK600W, which is the white version. Now the base of the stand is actually quite sleek looking, and it is a full metal finish with a nice locking mechanism at the bottom, which makes it quite easy for the setup. Now the last part is just the documentation that you get with this. They're just the usual, and the only important one is the one for your user's manual, because this will go through all the content that you get inside and of course how to set up the monitor. So I do recommend you go through that. It is fairly straightforward, but like I said, I will go through all of this in the future video for the UL600. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of this. I'm not going to be showing any images or footages or whatever, because I want to save it for comparison with the UL600. So yeah, speaking of the issue that I had with this monitor, well basically after about 6 months of using this monitor I started to develop light bleeds on all 4 corners of my monitor. So instead of actually contacting LG, I did contact the company I purchased it from, which was komplett.ie. Those guys were actually so good because they completely replaced it and just gave me the latest version, which is the UL600. So now I do have one UL600 and one UK600. The only bad part about that is the colors are actually very different. The UK600 has a colder kind of color to it, and the UL600 is a warmer color. Now I think the reason for this is because the panels are different. They did replace that in the UL600. This is more than likely to address the light bleeding issue. Now my only concern is that my other UK600 might develop the same issue. Hopefully not, but it's been well over a year now, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope it does help you out in terms of deciding whether to go with the UK600 or the UL600. I definitely do recommend that you go with the latest version. Getting this monitor replaced is quite tedious. I was pretty lucky because Komplett were very efficient and they were very understanding. Might be different for you, so yeah, I would totally avoid that. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. If it does, absolutely smash that like button, and if you do have any questions at all, please drop it down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.